Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn step by step. If you're looking for a job, freelance work, or even remote opportunities, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to search and apply for jobs using the LinkedIn app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type LinkedIn. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't miss any features. Once the app is updated, simply open the LinkedIn app on your device. Now tap on the Jobs section located at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the search bar where it says Search Jobs. Here you can type the job you are looking for. For example, you can search for video editor or any other job based on your skills. Once you search, you will see a list of job opportunities appear on your screen. You can scroll through them and choose the one that fits your requirements. Tap on any job to see full details, and if you're interested, simply tap on the Apply Now button and follow the steps to submit your application. And that's it. You've successfully found and applied for a job on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.